Here's how to fix filter option not showing on WhatsApp video call and how to add filters during calls. So when you place a video call, while it's ringing, you should already see the filter option. So you can choose backgrounds, different filters, or some effects already. And after someone picks up the call, to change the effects or filter, you simply tap on your preview and you will see the filter option here. But in your case, if you don't see the filter option, that is probably because of a software glitch. And to fix that, what you can try first is open your Android device's settings, go to the apps list, find WhatsApp, go to its storage option, and simply clear cache. Now make sure WhatsApp isn't running in the background and open it back up. Now try video calling once again and you should have the filter option. If you still don't see it, then make sure both your smartphone and the WhatsApp app itself is up to date. This is very important, so you should do it right away. If the app shows it's up to date but you're still facing issues, then what can also fix it is manually updating the WhatsApp application. For this, you'll just need to open a browser, then simply search for download WhatsApp for Android. And it will show the official page at the very top. Just go to the page and click on download WhatsApp directly. We have already downloaded, so it says download again, but click on download. And when it's finished, open the APK file and you'll get an update pop-up. Just click on update, and this way you'll be manually update WhatsApp to the latest version. Now you should already get back the filter option, but in some cases, if your smartphone is very old, then it may not show up. But if you have a recent phone model, then you can also try uninstalling WhatsApp and reinstalling it. But before that, make sure to go to settings, then chat backup, and create either a local or an online Google storage backup. Then you can go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. And when uninstalling, you can choose to keep the app data, after which when you install it back, you won't have to do anything and you'll log back in instantly. And now you should be able to enjoy filters in WhatsApp video call.